So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control set. Now you want to expand services. And now make sure that you're on services. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, we're going to be deleting two folders that's under services. That's going to be gaming services and gaming services net. So we're going to scroll down till we find, first of all, gaming services. Here it is. You want to right click on it and then click on delete. And then click on yes. And now we're going to delete gaming services net. Right click on it and then click on delete. And then click on yes, which will now delete both these folders. And then once you delete both those folders, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.